But, Diyos ko naman, she's rare. She's a rare find na kung may kulang man, i-grab nyo na. Because manlalamon talaga yan sa international stage. Pero it seemed na hindi nila nakita ito. And that's what make me disappointed. Hello there! This is your friend Rubato, and today we're gonna talk about Miss International Queen Philippines 2025. Talo si Kirk. Did you agree with that decision? Or nagpo-protest pa rin kayo within? Don't go away because we're gonna talk about that. Diyan lang kayo. We're supposed to use this. This is new. I bought this para mas clear yung ating usapan, pero it just doesn't work. Kaya pag-aaralan muna natin mabuti. Anyway, nagkakarinig naman tayo, right? Kahit medyo malapit tayo sa kalsada at medyo noisy because uwian na namang estudyante. So about Miss International Queen Philippines 2025, after the top 5, before the top 5, my bets were Aunt Patricia Lorenzo and Kirk, of course. Mikay, hindi masyado because napapanood ko yung mga local search na nilalabanan niya, and usually she just doesn't win. Parang siguro nakukulangan ng judges, or nandun naman siya minsan is sa Q&A siya medyo nadedihado. But whatever, she gave a stunning performance that night, from the swimsuit to the gown to the question and answer, surprisingly. So yung sinasabi niyang kanyang weakest point, ang siyang parang nagpataas pa sa kanya pa more. And based on the 5 answers from the 5 queens, or from the 5 finalists, sabay yung pinakamagandang sagot, malalaman niyo yan sa sunod because there's going to be a more comprehensive, mas buo na usapan about the whole show with a friend of mine. Gusto kong itakal ito with my friend na Gandara para mas kompleto sa Ricardo sa ating pagbanat sa Miss International Queen Philippines finals night. For me, I was disappointed. Isang pahapyaw lang medyo na-surprise ako, and at the same time na-disappoint because I thought Kirk might win. It's not Kirk would win because parang personally, parang di masyadong direktang nasagot yung tanong na bakit hindi ka dapat manalo. Yeah. So, she talked about other people who just didn't want her to win. There were 11 candidates who did not vote for her, something like that. And it's not a direct answer to the question. It's not in details. So, parang medyo na ko doon okay, so she might not win. But, Diyos ko naman, she's rare. She's a rare find na kung may kulang man, i-grab nyo na. Because manlalamon talaga yan sa international stage. Pero it seemed na hindi nila nakita ito. And that's what make me disappointed. Doon na lang sa aming more comprehensive vlog ko sasabihin sa inyo kung sa akin ba siya pa rin yung nag-rank 1 or si Mikay na pabor ko kay Ann Lorenzo. Pansamantala, na-surprise ako sa kanyang pagkatalo ng pabahagya. And I think she was super goddess that night. And she would be a great representation ng Philippines sa international stage. And I would like to reiterate this. She's like that Catriona Gray na wag sasayangin. Okay? So, rare. Okay. Now, latest, of course, mga na-hurt ng gabi, may mga konting emotions, may mga konting pagkadismaya sila mismo sa results. Because maybe, even if they admit it or not, na parang medyo palagay nila ang lakas ng kanilang dating at nagawa nila lahat para manalo. So, ganoon naman usually kapag talagang you felt you gave your best. So, hindi natin masisisi nung gabi na medyo parang yung kanilang sobrang iyakan, particularly ni Mikay, parang nagkasabing, hindi siya dapat manalo, kundi tayo, ako. Parang gano'n. And that was very evident sa kanilang, that action spoke louder than words. Yun ang isang magandang, yun ang isang pinaka-the best example ng ganong linya. Now, after a day, eto na, medyo lumambot sila, okay, so we have to support and everything. So ito yung sabi ni Kirk, basahin natin, ang nasusulat. Na wala ang araw, mas maganda sana meron tayong natural light. So this is what she said. Sometimes we have to accept and just move on with a peaceful heart. It's not yet my time. Our dreams are put on a pause for a reason, and we don't have to push it in a wrong way. Isa pa, ang sarap kaya mag-represent ng Philippines. Kaya for now, we have to support Ate Ann. She's carrying our dreams, and I hope we will rally behind her. She needs our support. So ito'y bilang responde dun sa isang nag-comment na parang ano ka sa ibang bansa, diba? Do something para may represent ibang bansa, and parang a sort of revenge. Parang ganun ang dating. So, eto yung isa pa niyang sinabi na susulat. I joined Miss International Queen Philippines. Can I do it without this? No. I joined Miss International Queen Philippines with pure intentions and pure heart. Pa-British. To answer your question, I won't accept any other offer from other countries simply because the intention to prove something is not even right. The purpose of joining should be coming from purpose, clear intentions, and not to step on any other people's dream. Hindi maganda na ang reason is to prove na mas magaling or mas deserving. Lahat kami nagpuyat, nag-effort at gumastos. And speaking of gastos, may dumaan sa wall ko, hindi ko lang na screenshot. Na parang nagsabi raw si Kirk na 500,000 ang kanyang nagastos. And from there, based on those amounts na ginagastos sa mga kandidata, it only shows na hindi lang yung crown, kundi yung camaraderie, yung sisterhood, yung the mere experience ng Miss International Queen, and be able to walk sa ganong kalaking venue for a Miss Trans or Miss Gay pageant. Diba? So, yun. Ang dami nilalabas ang pera para lang mag-experience nun. If I were pretty, and I would have enough courage, and a sexy body, and Kiffy, then I would join, most probably, and ask for donors. Hindi ako mahiyang ihingi, especially kung maganda ako, and I would represent our town. Yun, di mo na niya. Kapal ng mukha. Okay, so I think it's every transgender's dream. I wouldn't say that I'm transgender. I wouldn't say that I'm gay. I wouldn't open up about my real gender. Basta eto ako. Doon saka ako sasabihin kung ano ba. Or bi or cis or what. Okay? So yun, it doesn't matter at this point. Ang daming kuda. Basta yun. Of course, maraming iyakan yun ng gabi after the crowning. But, let's see what's in store for Kirk and for Mika. Is it Mika or Micah? Mika. And for Ann. I hope she wins Miss International Queen. It is in this situation that Pinoys go bad. They have this bad intention and bad wishes for someone that would represent all of us because their favorite didn't win. So, wag sanang gano'n. Sana mag-less. Habang papalapit, mawala yung pain, yung anger, and wanted support. Kaya, maraming nasaktan, particularly when Kirk opened up about her plans not to join anymore. And that's a pity because isa talaga siya, feel ko na masadali mo ron at ihanda na yung crown. Kahit na marami magaganda. But yun na nga, fate would have it that she wouldn't win the crown. And maybe, and it's true, God has other plans for each and every one of us in case we didn't get the one that we wanted to have. total bukas pa ang comprehensive report ng rheumatology with my friend, ay idagdag natin ang pagpunta naman sa India ng Miss Grand International winner at saka na what? Oh my God, what would happen? I'm very excited to the possibilities that might occur. Like for example, batuhin nga kaya ng tomatoes? Batuhin nga kaya sila ng kamatis? Or makakakita tayo ng mga rally ng protesters habang pumapasok ang mga manonood at ang mga kandidata. May mga banners pa and streamers sa palayasin, itaboy or something like that. Ayun, and makakita pa tayo ng super security forces na nakapalibot doon. And pakita kaya natin si na simpleng pupunta kay I forgot the name of the winner of Miss Grand International 2024, Miss India. I forgot the name at this point. Oh my God. So yun, na mukhang imposible because kasama siya siyempre lagi ni Nawat and she has to stay with Nawat or else. So yun, ano pa mga scenario? Ano pa bang mga na pwede nating asahan or posibleng mangyari? Maglagay kaya ng butas para mahulog si Nawat? Yung mga ganong eksena. So, it adds excitement to CJ's presence sa India for the Miss Grand India 2025. And I was just very curious, how did it happen? So, ibig sabihin, kampi rin sila kay Nawat and against sila kay Miss India? Or pinipilit lang nila magpaka-civil? Just to pursue kasi alam nilang maraming manonood at kikita sila sa Miss Grand na kanilang franchise. Di ba yung mga ganong possibility? Yung mga ganong realities or possibilities. So, looking forward, at ito yung Miss Grand International India na papanoorin ko. At alam ko papanoorin nating lahat because of CJ. So, thank you very much for joining me today. This is your friend Dubato and see you again.